what they call search. Coincidentally, I'm sure you can get it cheaper locally. It's cheaper if it's locally. We will just like kuan-kuan na lang wanang choose ba. Locally if we have some budget. Because there's a lot of solar panel battery ba in shop, solar panel shops. My coincidental electricity bill is around 415 Australian 4 times a year. $450. Ayo day. So it's high, Sir John. Oy, ayaw awayan ng cat ha. So I have to think guys what we can our ulam for today. So sorry Sir Nilha, I can't see man the price because it's not nice to say because I don't know. I don't have some knowledge ba. So it is not nice if I see and if you will search, oh it's not accurate. So that's why I don't want to put some words. Oh no, put the amount. No. That is why. So I'm not this one ay. So we're anak. Ara pa dira si Janjan.
Wala.
Magpalit pa siguro ka mog egg oy. Egg na lang. Sige na singot kayo ka oh.
Ko ganan.
Di ka? Yes, her in UK meant is that. So it's expensive oy. Here guys, the advantage of having solar panel is you don't have electricity bill, which is good. But the disadvantage is if there's no sun guys, we can charge. We can't use anything. Achar. You can see my beautiful face. Achar, sana all beautiful. So that's I'm only joking guys, but that's the reality. So yeah, sometimes it will drain. Naman. Nah, I forgot sir to ask him. But right now the inverter is good. It's always what they call this one way. Having kuan ba? Energy, solar energy. It charge. So I don't think pa to clean my husband in the solar panel. But when the inverter maybe sir will not functioning again, I will remind. I will ask him. On our bills there is $100 monthly account fee. Monthly. Others have $600 to $1,200. So I have to tell Francis or Chris. No, it's so sometimes ba I also curious ba. I also wondering ba why sometimes our solar panel ba is if it's 6 in the morning ba it's fast charging ba, and sometimes even if 7 the what you call it, the energy ba it's not increasing. It's stuck ba. It's like that. So sometimes I'm so kuan. Hi. Yeah, solar power is much better guys. If it is El Nino time ba? Yes, thank you so much Sir Neil. Yes, we're thinking that guys to have a solar panel because if we connect to electricity, we think guys that to the negative side by what if the owner of this land guys will use this land ba that our